Hi kindergarten, this is an exciting day. This video, we're going to cover your third round of home learning materials that are ready for packet pickup tomorrow. This time though, it's not a packet. Last few times we had envelopes. This time, your work is in a big
brown bag.
Your work this time around is going to consist of 4 main areas, and all of those areas of study are listed for you here on your home study plan, new for the next 2 weeks. So, the things that you might see on your home study plan, it looks a little bit different from day to day, but one thing that you're going to be seeing a lot is something that's really familiar to you. Parents, this is our Handwriting Without Tears workbook. We've been working on it all year. We started off with our capital letters, moved on to our lowercase letters, and we're going to be doing specific pages that are outlined in the home study plan on certain days. So I'll be posting videos, how-to videos of how to make those letters and instructional videos so your student can watch that at home and then complete the pages that are outlined in the plan. That's one area. Another thing that you're going to have inside your brown bag is, we call it our college workbook. This is the second volume of math pages that we've been working on with our math curriculum. So in the home study plan, it will mention what lesson number we're on. I'll send home an instructional video for that specific lesson each day or each time that we have it on our home learning plan. And then your student will just do the corresponding pages that are mentioned in the home study plan. So that's super fun because it's something we haven't done for a long time. And then we also have the home learning packet. It's back again, and parents, I will email you a special message about that just so we can be in touch about the home learning packet. Another thing, there's not a bag of fun this time around. There's not makerspace challenges, although you still have plenty of those ideas that your kids can still work on. But in the home study plan, there's going to be 2 special projects. The first special project will be this upcoming week, and we're going to sprout a bean seed. So you have your kit right here for sprouting a bean. Soak these in water overnight before you start your project, and then it says how to do this in the home study plan, but you're going to put your bean in a Ziploc baggie with a damp paper towel and tape it up on a window. And then we're gonna watch the magic happen as that little bean sprouts. And then every day your student is going to be recording what day it is, if it's our first day of this project, the date, and draw a picture. They can label that picture too so we can see what's going on. On Friday, this is what your Facebook Friday post is going to be about. You're going to post a picture or a video of your bean sprout project. That's our first week's special project. For the second week, the 27th through May 1st, we have a Me on the Map booklet that we're going to be working on. So this mapping and mapping skills are something we would be working on in the spring in kindergarten. So as it says in the home study plan, you're going to be filling out a few pages a day, working on recognizing different parts of a map and where we fit on that map. And then the last thing you'll notice in your home learning bag for this time around is kindergarten. There's a few toys in there for you too. I rated our prize box because I know you've been working so hard, and I put a few items in there for you. So parents, thank you for sending those in at the beginning of the year. We are getting to use them after all. You'll also see there's a pack of Wiki Sticks for every kindergartner. This came from the Kearney family. They ordered these and wanted to send those home with the kids. So we're so thankful that you did that for our class, and I'll be sending home some fun ideas of things that you can do with Wiki Sticks. Kindergarten, I loved seeing you on Zoom today. That so made my day, and we'll do that again next Thursday too. I hope to see you tomorrow for packet pickup. It'll be Friday the 17th from 11 to 12:30 in the parking lot on campus. And if you're not able to make that, just let me know. I'm happy to get the bag to you in a different way too. So I hope everybody has a great day, and I really look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.